Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov, tanggal 16 Agustus merilis serangan presisi tinggi Angkatan Udara Rusia di dekat Andreevka, wilayah Kherson, mengenai pos komando dan kendali Batalyon ketiga Brigade Mobil ke-46, serta markas brigadi di dekat Lozovoye. Lebih dari 20 nasionalis dieliminir dan hingga 30 terluka, kata Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Sebagai akibat serangan artileri ke posisi Brigade Infanteri bermotor ke-72 di dekat Artemovsk di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, lebih dari 50 nasionalis serta 6 unit peralatan militer dihancurkan. Secara total, 267 pesawat Ukraina dan 148 helikopter, 1.743 kendaraan udara tak berawak dieliminir. Juga 365 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 4.328 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 799 sistem roket peluncuran ganda, 3.307 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 4.902 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor Konashenkov. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 150 tentara Federasi Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 43.900 tentara Rusia tewas sejak awal konflik hingga hari 167. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky terus menebar optimisme pasukannya akan mengusir penjajah Rusia dengan bantuan dan solidaritas internasional. Tidak ada tempat bagi penjajah dimanapun, cepat atau lambat kita akan merebut kembali tanah air kita, kata Zelensky.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision weapons of the Russian aerospace forces near Andreevka in Kherson region have hit command and control post of the 3rd Battalion of the 46th Air Mobile Brigade, as well as the brigade's temporary deployment point near Lozovoye. More than 20 nationalists have been killed and up to 30 wounded. As a result of concentrated fire strike on positions of the 72nd Motorized Infantry Brigade near Artemovsk in Donetsk People's Republic, more than 50 nationalists, as well as 6 units of military equipment have been destroyed. Allied forces uncovered direct violations of the Geneva Convention by the Kiev regime and its Western handlers after the nationalists retreated from their positions near Artemovsk. On August 14, Russian servicemen found more than 50 French-made EMP-F2 anti-tank mines at positions abandoned by units of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces south of Artemovsk in Donetsk People's Republic. These mines, after being placed and armed, cannot be removed or defused. Their use is in direct violation of the requirements of the Second Protocol on prohibitions and restrictions on the use of mines, booby traps and other devices, part of the Geneva Convention on prohibitions and restrictions on the use of non-violent weapons, adopted in New York on October 10, 1980. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 7 command posts, including those of the 14th Mechanized Brigade near Solidar in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 182 areas of manpower, weapons, military and special equipment concentration have been hit. 1 air defense radar station near Bashtanka in Nikolaev region, 1 ammunition depot near Zaitsevo of Donetsk People's Republic, and 1 fuel depot near Andreevka in Kharkov region have been destroyed. In course of counter-battery warfare, 2 platoons of Grad multiple launch rocket systems have been hit near Vladimirovka of Donetsk People's Republic and Verkhnopolye in Kharkov region. 3 artillery platoons of Gyatsint B mounts and 5 platoons of D-30 howitzers at firing positions near Novomikhailivka, Zvanovka, Seversk, Artemovsk, Bakhmutskoye, Yakovlivka in Donetsk People's Republic, Poltava and Novoandreevka in Zaporozhye region. Russian air defense means have destroyed 2 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Topolovka of Lugansk People's Republic and Charivnoye in Kherson region. In addition, 3 shells of multiple launch rocket systems have been shot down in the air near Novognatovka of Donetsk People's Republic and Kamenka and Doroshenkovo in Kharkov region. In total, 267 Ukrainian airplanes and 100 748 helicopters, 1,743 unmanned aerial vehicles, 365 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,328 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 799 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,307 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,902 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.